Hey guys, wanna know how to use and enable automation in Taskade? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple and easy, so let's get right into it. Now first off, make sure you have Taskade opened. You can also do these steps by the web browser as well. So the choice is yours. Now, once you're logged in, click on this workspace icon right here. Now click on home. And then down here you can see automation. Click on it. Now once you're in the automation tab, click on create automation that is located right here. Now you got two options. You can either generate with AI or start from scratch. For now, I'll just click on generate with AI. And you can give it any prompt that you like. Let's say transcribe a YouTube video. Now click the paper plane icon once you're done. And here you can see your automation preview has been made. And you can just simply click on create automation and follow the steps, and bam, your automation will be created as easy as that. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.